Welcome to our channel where we explore the beauty and wonder of the Maldives. Today we are going to focus on architecture of Maldives and how it has been evolved over the year. The Maldives is an island nation located in the Indian Ocean made up of 26 atolls and over 1,000 coral islands. The country has a unique architecture that reflects its natural beauty and cultural heritage. The traditional architecture of Maldives is simple and functional, designed to withstand the harsh tropical climates. The buildings are typically made up of coral stone or timber, with roof made up of coconut leaf. The buildings are raised off the ground to protect them from the flooding during monsoon season. In recent years, the Maldives has seen a rise in modern architecture as the country has developed into a popular tourism destination. Many of the new buildings are designed to blend in with the natural environment, with features such as open area, space, and natural material like wood and stone. The Maldives is particularly vulnerable to the effect of climate change, such as rising sea level and extreme weather events. As a result, many architecture and designers are forced on sustainable architecture using innovation technology. That's all for our exploration of Maldives architecture. We hope you learn about the unique building and design that make up this beautiful island nation. Let us know in the comment what your favorite building in the Maldives is. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more traveling inspiration and tips.